I'm going to show you how to make a mojito mocktail. That's right, a mojito that the whole family can enjoy. Hi there, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher, and welcome to my outside pool bar here at my home in Mexico. I'm going to show you today how I make a mojito mocktail. That's right, a mojito that's good for the whole family. It's going to be great. So simple too. So all you need is about 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, about 10 mint leaves, I just grabbed one huge bunch of them, and about a teaspoon of agave nectar. First step is take a glass, put your mint leaves into the glass. So simple. They look gorgeous, by the way. Then you want to take the lime juice, just pour it over the mint leaves. Then about a teaspoon of agave nectar for a little sweetener. Okay. Then you just want to muddle for about 1 minute, just pressing the mint leaves down. So simple. Really get a good press so you can get that mint flavor. You can also add berries to this if you want. Now that my mint, lime, and agave is totally muddled, I'm going to take some ice, pour it into my serving glass here. I like to go all the way to the top with the ice. Here's your lime, mint, agave mixture. You just want to put that over the top of the ice. Then, where did my sparkling water? Take your sparkling water, if you can find it, pour it over the top. Oh, it looks beautiful. And then I'm going to garnish with just a little bit of lime and a few more mint leaves. Okay, gorgeous. I'm going to put that in there. My little straw with the umbrella, of course. Look at this gorgeous, refreshing mojito. There you go. Cheers! What a beautiful day in Mexico. So good. Look at this water. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.